We have this really nice parsley plant here, but I'm going to tell you, parsley does not dry and keep its flavor really well. So the way that we're going to preserve this is freezing. Cilantro is another herb that's better frozen than dried, so it keeps its flavor better. And chives is that way as well. So we're going to cut a few leaves, and then we're going to freeze them. Now, one thing that I probably should mention is sometimes your herbs are dirty. So if they are, you probably need to wash them off, before they're dried or frozen, but always make sure they're good and dry. All the moisture's gone. They're good and air dried before you either freeze them or dry them. So okay, we're ready. We got our parsley ready to freeze. When you get ready to use it, you pull it out while it's still frozen. Take some of the stems off if you've got some big stems, and then while it's frozen, you just chop it up. And you see with it being frozen, it chops up really easily. So that's the way you do parsley, and it holds its color, as you can see. So it looks like fresh parsley. So there you're gonna fool all of your friends and neighbors. And they're gonna say, how did you have fresh parsley in the wintertime?
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.